The Pontifical Academy for Life organizes every year, during its General Assembly, an international workshop. And the next workshop, it will be in February 16 and 17. And it is focused on the issue of healthcare for all, the problem of access to healthcare, the question of resources, and in which way to guarantee justice and equity for everybody. We know how is it important health and healthcare, and we recognize the need of interdisciplinary approach to understand the questions, and we start with the question, but which kind of proposal to offer a system, a healthcare system for all. And so we have, during the workshop, the presence of different experts coming from economics, from healthcare, from philosophy, theology, social science, bioethics, to analyze the challenges and in which way to guarantee equity and sustainability of the healthcare systems in the world. Of course, there are differences between the north and the south of the world, and in which way there are questions and solutions in each country, but we believe in the importance of a dialogue between the North and the global South to understand and to define together proposal for the future. There is a specific focus also on some areas of population, for example, the elderly, the disabled people, also the children with specific needs, and the issue and the need of specific answers to these questions. But also the focus on some areas, very problematic situation as the war, poverty, migration, climate change. And so what is the impact of all these aspects on the health of the people, the perspective of a global bioethics and One Health, so the health of a human being, of the animals, and also of the environment. So for February, we have this relevant appointment, and it is possible to participate in presence or online. And you can find all information for this participation in the website of the Pontifical Academy for Life. I and all the staff of the Academy invite you and all people interested in these topics that is a real big, transversal and important, and in which way we could contribute to the debate at the international and national level to guarantee a good care for everybody, particularly for the more vulnerable and people, and in the situation of more difficulties and challenge for the health and for the life.